welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another product review, and this time it's going to be the GLAMNETIC magnetic lashes. Now I have another video where I tried out these magnetic lashes that I got from Amazon, but I have been hearing everybody talk about GLAMNETIC lashes, and this actually came in my last month's BoxyCharm box, but I didn't get to do a video about my box. So today we're gonna try out GLAMNETIC magnetic lashes. The first thing, as always, before we do lashes is to curl and apply some mascara. This is necessary for my lashes because my lashes are completely straight down, stubborn lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and curl and put on a little bit of mascara. There we go. One of my New Year's resolutions was to do more product reviews on my YouTube channel, so this is the first one of the year. So with magnetic lashes, how it works is you put on a liner like this one. You apply a thin layer of liner and then your lashes will stick to that liner. Let's take a look at this brush. Typical liner brush applicator. And let's take a look at these lashes. These are the ones that I was sent, which look pretty nice to me. Long and wispy. This is the style Bella. So this is the lash out, and the difference between the Amazon ones and these ones so far that I see, there are more magnetic strips. I don't remember how many was on the Amazon one, but these ones have a lot more closer together. It's still it's separated, so it's very bendy. Let's see, I don't have to cut them or anything like that, which these ones, comparing these to my Amazon lashes, my Amazon ones were so spaced out that I actually did need to cut my lashes, but if I did, then there wouldn't be a magnet on the end, so my lash would just be hanging off. So this one, I feel like if you really needed to cut your lashes, you could, and then it would still have a magnet at the end. Luckily, I don't have to cut them, so these are perfect. Well, let's do a little bit of liquid liner, and liquid liner is not my forte. I don't really ever wear liquid liner, so you might see me struggle here. I'm gonna wipe off some of it and just do a thin line over my lashes. You do want to make sure you have a nice, like, even coat because the lashes need something to stick onto. Okay, I'm not gonna talk when I do this because it's hard. Okay, make sure you get your inner corner. And so the liner is on. Forgot what I look like with liner on. I very rarely do liner on the top. This is the cool part. So now just look down into a mirror so your liner is exposed, and it should just stick right on. That was easy. And they're really on there, so like, it looks gross, but they're really stuck on there. So it's not like if the wind were to blow, your lash would come off. The style is really pretty too. Honestly, I think I might like this one better than my Amazon magnetic lashes. only because these are really fluffy. I feel like they're natural but dramatic. What do you guys think? Huge difference between the two eyes. Okay, let's do the other eye real quick. So this is what both of the lashes look like on. I really, really like these. Again, just comparing because I've only tried the Amazon lashes that I keep mentioning, but these ones feel so comfortable. Not that the other ones were like painful or hurting my eyes, but I really can't feel anything different. Like, if anything with lashes, these actually feel lighter because I'm amazed right now at how lightweight these lashes feel. They don't feel heavy. They don't feel like they're tugging on my eyes at all. And I really like how long and fluffy these ones are. What do you guys think? I am thoroughly impressed by these GLAMNETIC lashes. I feel like they are super comfortable. I am still shook at how comfortable these are. Like, I can't even feel anything when I blink. They don't feel heavy on my lids. They don't feel like I have hooded lids and I can't feel the magnets, anything on the lashes. I really like the style. They're long and wispy. I really, really like these lashes and recommend them. Like I said earlier, one of my New Year's resolutions was to do more reviews on my channel. So if you guys want me to review anything, leave it in the comments down below so I can try it out for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. So today